The Filipino verb root word, GAWA. GAWA is a versatile Filipino root word that can be used to form various verbs and nouns, often related to the concepts of doing, making, or creating. Here are some of its common definitions and examples as well. The first one is it is used to do, to make, or to create. The second one is that it means to perform or to act. The third one is to produce or to yield. The number 4 definition is to build or to construct. And the number 5 here is to manufacture or produce. Let us have the following example sentences for each definition. The first one is to do, to make, or to create. Gumawa siya ng cake. So it means he or she made a cake. Cake is a cake, yeah? So gumawa siya ng cake. Gawin mo ang takdang aralin. So takdang aralin is an assignment. So do your homework or do your assignment. Gumawa ng sining ang mga bata. So sining is an art and bata is a child. Mga bata are children. So gumawa ng sining ang mga bata. Gawin natin ang ating makakaya. Let's do our best. Makakaya is like what you can do or able to do. So gawin natin ang ating makakaya. Gumawa siya ng plano para sa kanyang negosyo. So a plano is a plan and then a negosyo is a business. Kanyang negosyo is his or her business. Gumawa siya ng plano para sa kanyang negosyo. The second definition for the root word gawa is that it can also mean to perform or to act. Gumawa siya ng kabutihan. So mabuti is good, kabutihan is a good deed. So gumawa siya ng kabutihan. Gumawa siya ng eksena. So an eksena is a scene. So she or he made a scene, gumawa siya ng eksena. Gumawa siya ng hakbang upang malutas ang problema. Hakbang is like a step and then malutas is like to solve and then a problema is a problem. So gumawa siya ng hakbang upang malutas ang problema. Gumawa siya ng confession. So he or she made a confession. Gumawa siya ng pagbabago sa kanyang buhay. Pagbabago is a change. And then a buhay is a life. Kanya is his or her. And then buhay is life. So he or she made a change in his or her life. Gumawa siya ng pagbabago sa kanyang buhay. Definition number 3 is it means to produce or to yield. Gumawa ng pera ang negosyo. So the business made money, pera is money, and the negosyo is a business. Gumawa ng bunga ang puno. So a bunga is a fruit and then a puno is a tree. So gumawa ng bunga ang puno, the tree produced fruit. Another example is gumawa ng ingay ang mga tao. So the people made noise. So ingay is noise and tao is a person. Mga made it plural. So mga tao, the people. So gumawa ng ingay ang mga tao. Gumawa ng problema ang sitwasyon. So a problema is a problem and the sitwasyon is a situation. So the situation caused a problem. Gumawa ng problema ang sitwasyon. Gumawa ng magandang impresyon ang aklat. So maganda is good or pretty or beautiful. An impression is an impression. And then an aklat is a book. It can also be a libro. So the book made a good impression. Gumawa ng magandang impresyon ang aklat. Definition number 4 is that it can also mean to build or to construct. Gumawa sila ng bahay. They built a house. Sila is they. And then a bahay is a house. Gumawa sila ng bahay. They built a house. Gumawa ng tulay ang mga inhinyero. So a tulay is a bridge and then an inhinyero is an engineer. Mga inhinyero are engineers. So mga makes things plural or the noun plural. So gumawa ng tulay ang mga inhinyero, the engineers built a bridge. Gumawa ng pader ang mga manggagawa, the workers built a wall. So a pader is a wall and then a manggagawa is a worker. Mga manggagawa, it means workers. Gumawa ng pader ang mga manggagawa, the workers built a wall. Gumawa ng dam ang gobyerno. So a dam is a dam. And then a gobyerno is government. So the government built a dam. Gumawa ng dam ang gobyerno. Gumawa ng iskultura ang artista. So iskultura is like sculpture and then an artista is an artist. So the artist created the sculpture. Gumawa ng iskultura ang artista. Another definition for the root word gawa is it can also mean to manufacture or to produce. Gumawa ng mga kotse ang pabrika. So a pabrika is a factory. And then a kotse or a sasakyan is a car. So the factory manufactured cars. Gumawa ng mga kotse ang pabrika. Gumawa ng sapatos ang kumpanya. The company produced shoes as sapatos. That's shoes. And then a kumpanya is a company. So the company produced shoes. Gumawa ng sapatos ang kumpanya. Gumawa ng mga gamot ang parmasya. So a parmasya is a pharmacy and then medicine, that's gamot, mga gamot medicines. Gumawa ng mga gamot ang parmasya. Gumawa ng mga pagkain ang pabrika. So the factory produced food. Pagkain, that's food. A pabrika is a factory. So gumawa ng mga pagkain ang pabrika. Gumawa ng mga kasangkapan ang kumpanya. The company manufactured tools. So a kasangkapan is a tool and then a kumpanya is a company. So gumawa ng mga kasangkapan ang kumpanya. And that is all about for the Filipino root word gawa. I hope you learned something new and see you again in the next video. Maraming salamat po.